Going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel chapter 2 ML2 smartphone. In its project description is telling us about you have just graduated from college and before beginning your first professional job you would like to purchase a new smartphone. You have the option to purchase a new phone in one payment or make monthly payment by take advantages of 36 months flex payment plan. The payment plan charges an APR of 1.75% for the service. Prior to making your payment decision, you would like to make a worksheet to calculate the monthly payment for consumer report. Top 3 smartphone for young professional. That is our project description. If you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology and applied science, and if you need help in the Excel assignment, assess assignments, word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or if you need help in homework, quiz or exams, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in the description and on the screen of this video, or you can contact me on my email address. My email address is given in the description of this video. Or if you want to deal for the whole course, you can contact me also, or you can directly comment on this my video, so I will reply you soon. We will move to our first step. Our first step is the start, download and open the file name Excel chapter 2 assessment smartphone. I have already opened this file. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is rename sheet 1 flex pay. So we will copy this one and go to this, and we will go to the double click on our sheet name. So we will change the sheet name as a flex pay. It's changed now. That's our first step. Our third step is type flex pay calculator. So we will copy this one in the cell A1. Control C. In the cell A1 we will paste this one. And merge and center the title on the first row, range A1 to C1. So we will merge and center A1 to C1. It's now merged and centered. And then what we need to do, apply bold 20 font size, blue S&1 font color. So we will apply bold. And what is 20 font size? And font color is blue S&1. That's our third step. Our fourth step is merge and center the range A2 to C2. So we will go to the A2 to C2. We will merge and center this one and type inputs. We will type inputs in this. Control C. We have type inputs. What we need to do again, apply thick outside borders. Here we will apply thick outside borders. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is type APR and number of payments in the range A3 to A4. So we will copy APR. Control C. We will go to the cell A3 and paste it as APR, and number of payment in the cell A4. have pasted this one also. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is type 1.75% in the cell B3. We'll copy this one and paste in the cell B3. That is our cell B3. We have pasted this one, and 36 in the cell B4. Copy this one and paste in the B4. Merge and center the range A6 to C6. We will go to the A6 to C6. Merge and center A6 to C6. Type outputs and apply thick outside borders. We will copy this one and paste it here. Outputs, and we will apply thick outside borders. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is type model in the cell A7. We will copy this one and put it in the cell A7. Model and price in the cell B7. And payment in the cell C7. We will copy this one and paste it in the cell C7. That's our seventh step. In this assignment we have total 12 steps. I have performed the seventh step. This is a simple assignment. If you need help about the remaining steps, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, or if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology and applied science. And if you need help in assignments like PowerPoint, XLSx or Word, or if you need help in assignments, quizzes, homeworks or exams, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, and my WhatsApp number link is given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given also on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on my video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.